Hello friend, this is Pradna Dale from Epshine. Today's my topic is on difference between Java Development Kit, Java Runtime Environment and Java Virtual Machines. It means JDK, JRE and JVM. So let's go further. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It consists of JRE, that is Java Runtime Environment, and second one is JVM, Java Virtual Machines. So it consists JDK is a used to develop application by using these tools and implementations. JDK has introduced by Oracle Corporation. There are three different platforms for JDK. First one is Micro Edition, Standard Edition, and Enterprise Edition. So JDK has many versions. On a same computer, we can install more than one version. My second point is JRE. JRE is a set of software tool that is used to run any Java application. Like it contains packages like Java.language package, AWT package, Math package, or any other packages, libraries, documentation, document generator, and compiler. It is an implementation of JVM. There is a need to JVM. JRE is a platform dependent because when you want to run any applet, we have to install JRE, that is runtime environment. It provides all the environments for execute of any code. My third point is JVM. JVM is a Java virtual machine. It does not exist physically, but it is abstract machine that is used to convert source code into bytecode, and it has JIT compiler that will help us to run faster. The JVM has three main phases like specification, implementation, and instance. JVM is used to basically it is used for the converting source code or bytecode into machine code or any low level language that is help us to run any Java program. The third use of now my third point is the difference between JVM, JRE and JVM. JDK, JRE and JVM. So in JDK, it is mainly used to develop any application kit, software development is done by JDK by using JRE and JVM. In JRE, it is a implementation of JVM, and it is used to execute any Java application written by Java language. Third point is JVM. JVM is used to convert any source code into bytecode with the help of JIT compiler, and it is there are three notions: specification, implementation, and instance. The functions used by JDK, JRE, and JVM are JDK mainly used for executing any application. The JRE is responsible for creating environment tools such like libraries, packages, and so on. Third, JVM is responsible for providing all the implementations to the JRE. And fourth point is uses of JDK, JRE, and JVM. The use of JDK is done by it is used to run applet viewer by using Java libraries along with JRE. JDK always assists to JRE that will execute any program. JRE to run any applet we have to install JRE, that is JRE that like packages, language, AWT, Math, any files, jar files or documentaries. Third one is Java. JVM is basically used for to run source code into bytecode, and that bytecode will generate machine level language with the help of JIT. Thank you.